So welcome back guys to the last edition of this series of our elevations. In this series we are going to be drawing the right elevation for our project. So if you've not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button, like, share our videos with your colleagues, and don't forget to click the notification icon to get a reminder for our subsequent videos. So as usual, to begin with, you must have positioned your roof in the right direction and your elevation also in the right direction. That is what you are trying to draw facing the bottom. In the same way, the roof elevation, the roof part that you have to draw is also to face the bottom. So in this segment we are going to be seeing this part and this part alone. The rest of the part will not be visible. So let's quickly get started. Our first thing to do is to offset our floor height. Actually guys, there's no hard and fast rule about doing this thing. It all depends on you. Someone can tell you that starting top down, we like to start bottom up top. So it all depends on you actually. So from here, okay, let's see where our roof will start. Let's quickly pick this. Initially we've been picking the roof overhang. So let's just pick it from here automatically. So we'll see our roof overhang. So we'll just trim. We'll have this. So this is where our roof overhang is going to start. Then we know that we have offset of 300 for our fascia board. We take it up, we'll trim, and to save time again, just like we did previously. So we have this. So instead of going back to draw other lines, I would rather just pick from here like we've been doing. So copy, we have this. So I have this. Let me off the orthogonal so I can place it here. Then I think we should mirror. See, there are lots of AutoCAD commands. Our mission is not to teach you basic commands because those are very basic. If you care to know, we have our basic section. You can also learn from there, and the tutorials are well explained, just like these ones that you are seeing. And you can always leave us a question in the comment box and be sure you get quick response to them. We really want you to learn this thing. Practice. See, practice makes better, not perfect. So extend, have this, yes. So we have, I just leave it like that. Extend. So what's wrong with our drawing? Something definitely it's wrong. Okay, this is not supposed to get to that point. So we have this. Let's copy. Not supposed to get to that point. So sorry about that. It's supposed to stop here. So I'm going to extend. Those are the kind of things you should understand. We want you to know the concept. You see, immediately I drew that, I knew something is wrong. So that should also be your case. Once you draw something, you see it and it's wrong, you should be able to detect immediately. So I can delete this. So I have this coming between here and here. Let me get that done, like drawing from the bigger to the smaller part. So I can put it here. I know it's going to stop here. I need to have another one there. So I can extend. Let's say extend. So I can pick this, say copy, and pick it from here. Off the orthogonal, pick it and place it here. So I can extend it like this. It's like this. So I think it went this way. Let me change it back. Definitely is going to be, but you can just check your own. Let me on my orthogonal so I'll be sure it's going straight. Then we have another part. Let me draw this coming from here to the top. Trim. You can check your dimensions. So you see we have this part just the way it is. The Dutch part is going to come towards this side. So let's look at the other part that we are going to see. So let's pick this. Let's copy. Have this. Put it here. We know it's going to get to this point before going up. So let me extend. So this is not getting there, also extend it, so it's like this now. So we can pick, let's save this, so copy, pick it and put it here. So where will it get to? It's supposed to get to this point. So going to trim, so it goes up, I think, yeah, by 700. That's what we've been using, 700. So then definitely it's going to come over to this side. So you can always check that. Go and pick your lines. So this is what it is. So guys, quickly, we've done this, we've shown our roof. We can clear off this and clear off this and this. So guys, this is what our roof is going to look like. The next thing we have to do is to draw our roof eaves. I'm going to pause the video, draw the roof eaves. You too, you should do the same. I believe we've been seeing that from previous tutorials. So guys, after doing that, this is what your drawing should look like. There's nothing we've done yet that we've not shown you how to do. See, we are on our roof eaves. Layers is very important. So after doing that, let's quickly bring out our details. I think we have this wall in place. So this is a wall. I'll come here and say just escape, trim, so that we know if it's a wall. I'll come back and pick this as a copy and bring it to this point so that we know the position of this wall. We can come here and also say trim. Then this roof that ends here, we are supposed to draw a line. Let's draw it from here to show where it actually ended. Or we can match property because it's not supposed to be like that. You can just put it like this. So we've shown the whole of this wall. So we need to show this arch, then this column. So let's quickly do that. Let's show the arch first. Let's pick this one, say coffee. Let's pick it from here and it ends here. So we have that. And the arch is supposed to be 600. We've done it in the previous tutorials. Like this. So you can trim off this. Trim. Let's delete those ones. Don't know why they didn't trim automatically. Trim. Have this. So technically this is our arch. That's supposed to go into the roof. I can delete this off. So this off too. So I think delete this one too. Have it like this. So the next thing to show is my column. So let me pick up this. So copy. Let's have it from here to here to here already. So this is it. It shows that I didn't pick my arch correctly. So I'm going to delete this and extend it because they're supposed to intersect. Those are the basic mistakes one can make, so make sure you checkmate them. So I can now delete this. So this is where my arch. So like we did before, we know we have a height of 450. Let's say offset 450. Let's take it up. So can delete this. Delete this. This. Can take off this and trim off some of the excesses. We'll have this. So like we did previously, let's just copy from our existing elevation instead of creating another one. So this is it. So I want to copy. Click on copy. I can come here and place it. So I have it. So I can trim off this. Trim off this also. So that is that about that. Next thing is for us to show our windows. So copy, let's see, place it like this, this, finally this. So we have this. So let's trim off. I can do my left to right select, then delete them, then trim off the top. So I can have escape, sorry about that, I can delete the whole of this. So these are my windows. Since this is the height of the building, the height of the lintel is about 2100, so 2100. So we'll pick it up, take it, so we'll trim off, trim, then just trim off at once. I told you window size 600 by 600, so say offset 600, pick this, drop it down, then we trim, sorry, trim, yes. So the guys is 1200, so offset 1200. You can bring this and this down, then trim. So guys, I'm going to pause this video to put in my windows, then we continue from there. And I'm also going to definitely hatch. I believe you should be able to do this, so do yours, then we continue. So guys, you discovered that I've hatched, I've placed my windows, and I've even gone ahead to indicate this. I believe you should be able to do it. So what I actually came back on to show you is to show you where you are going to be focusing on this time. So let's quickly say match property. You'll discover if you are coming from the right side, you will definitely see this first. So you are going to, it's going to be the thicker part now. I'm not going to, let's see, let's trim first, trim this so that, so MA, say match, so we have this, so we can still come back here. Let's change this to the thicker elevation, so I have it like this, double not thick, like this, so we have it this way. So the next thing, I think we're also supposed to have a staircase here like we did before. Let's say offset, let's say 150, we'll have this, okay, 3, this, and whole of this, oh, the whole of this too, yes. So we're also supposed to have maybe, I say offset, the 50 mm we usually cut off as a part of basic design. So let's trim off this, this is not supposed to be there, so Ctrl Z, this, okay, it's gone. So we have this, and let's see offset in, so let's say 50. I think there was a place we use 100. Ensure you are consistent. So everything you are doing, if you are picking 100, be consistent. So we have this, so we're also going to match property for the rest. Okay, let's see this, let's pick it, this, yeah, no, then this, and this. So guys, this is the right elevation. Let me quickly show you what our project looks like, what we've been working on. So if you, let's say, move it to where its brothers are, so we have this. So I think I didn't show you guys this. This is what the hip roof will have looked like if we have decided to use a hip roof. Actually, I only showed you this. So I decided to hatch it up so that we'll see what it will look like. So this is what it will look like, and I decided to use black, one of my favorite colors. So you see we've successfully drawn our floor plan on front elevation. You see there's a particular hatch pattern here to make it beautiful. There are ways you can always improve your work. The rear elevation, the left side, and we have the right side. So guys, in the next edition of this tutorial, we're going to be drawing this section of this particular, cut a section and draw to see how to draw a section in AutoCAD. So guys, stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel, like, share our videos with your colleague. See you next time. This is AJ.